Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear the cache for your TikTok account and app using the latest version. It's quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines, menu icon, in the top right corner of your profile page. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down until you find the Cache and Cellular section. Tap on Free Up Space. At the top, you'll see an option labeled Cache. To clear it, simply tap the Clear button next to it. TikTok will ask you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm, and the cache will be cleared instantly. If you also want to clear downloaded files cache, you can do that here too by tapping the Clear button next to Downloads. Once both values show 0 megabytes, it means you've successfully cleared your TikTok cache. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.